Let's work on forming the O sound. The tip of your tongue is relaxed and touching behind the lower front teeth. Move from the O sound to the U sound quickly. O, 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 O. You will find that you move from a more open position to a more closed position as you make the sound. Your lips are rounded for this sound. O, O, O. Here's O in the beginning of some words. Open, O, oak. And here it is in the middle. Cope, zone, flowing. And here it is at the end of some words. Flow, no, go. Listen to these pairs of words to hear the contrasting sounds. Oat, out. Home, ham. Toe, toy. Oh, oh, oh.